Looking for the best electric pepper grinder but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best electric pepper grinder based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. Ultrean Pepper Grinder. What a game changer in the salt and pepper grinder world. Most of these products are clunky, hard to use, and a total eyesore, but this one is a breath of fresh air. It's got a super stylish minimalist design that's not only gorgeous but also super practical, with one-handed operation that makes it a breeze to use. Plus, it's available in multiple colors to match your kitchen's vibe, adding a splash of color to everyday life. But what really sets it apart is the rechargeable feature. No more disposable batteries, just a modern Type-C charging port for fast and convenient recharging. And let's not forget the adjustable grinder with 6 settings, a ceramic core that grinds as fine as 25 microns, preserving that original aroma and flavor of the pepper. And with a large 70 milliliters food-grade container, you'll never have to refill it too often. The washable container even prevents flavor mixing between spices. It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-end kitchen experience without the hassle, and I gotta say, it's a total winner in my book. Number 9. Latent Epicure JS01 Electric Salt. This electric salt and pepper grinder set is a total game changer with its USB-C fast rechargeable power, ditching disposable batteries for good. It's a total no-brainer for home cooks who hate running out of power mid-meal prep, and with its adjustable ceramic grinders and built-in LED light, you get precision control and accurate seasoning every time. It's perfect for anyone who values freshness in their flavors. And the sleek stainless steel design makes it a breeze to refill and clean. I'm blown away by this rechargeable set. It's a must-have for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. Number 8. Peugeot PG27162 Elis Sense U-Select Electric Pepper Mill Adjustable Grinder. We've all struggled with messy pepper shakers and unevenly ground pepper, ruining the flavors of our dishes. This electric pepper mill solves that problem with effortless ease, lighting up and grinding freshly to your desired coarseness with just a single touch. The patented U-Select system offers 6 precision settings, from extra fine to very coarse, allowing you to find your perfect balance of flavor. It's perfect for home cooks and chefs who want to elevate their dishes with perfectly seasoned flavors. Quick verdict, it's a game changer for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. Number 7. CRUCIBLY KYMQ-01 Single Automatic Electric Pepper or Salt Grinder. I'm sprinkling some freshly ground pepper over my Sunday roast when I realize how much I rely on this single grinder electric pepper mill for everyday seasoning. It's a game changer for one-handed use in the kitchen with its ergonomic angle and built-in LED light, allowing me to precisely control the coarseness of my grind with 5 adjustable settings from the 95 milliliters chamber. All powered by a convenient USB-C rechargeable design that fits seamlessly into my kitchen routine, making it a must-have for anyone who values simplicity and versatility in their cooking setup. Number 6. ThermoMaven KYMQ-44B-AH Electric Salt. Most salt and pepper grinders are clunky, manual affairs, requiring constant refills and sacrificing flavor for the sake of convenience. But this one breaks the mold with its upgraded grinding capacity, capable of handling up to 110 milliliters of pepper at a time, making it perfect for large families or those who entertain frequently. With rechargeable batteries and a sustainable design, you can enjoy months of use without the hassle of disposable batteries. The customizable grind and high-hardness ceramic grinder ensure maximum flavor retention, while the different speeds for pepper and salt take your seasoning game to the next level. Plus, it's built with premium stainless steel for durability and has a sleek appearance that'll complement any kitchen. Number 5. Gulex YD07 Electric Pepper Grinder Battery-Powered 1 Automatic Pepper Mill. If you're a senior or have arthritis, this product is a lifesaver. The one-button easy design means no more twisting or wrist pain, and the soft touch button requires minimal effort, giving you the freedom to cook without discomfort. It's also perfect for busy parents or those with hand fatigue, as it's easy to use and adjust to the desired coarseness, from fine dust to chunky bits. With its battery-powered design, you can grab and go, no charging needed, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 4. TLYSXPRO PM003A Electric Pepper Grinder. I highly recommend this rechargeable pepper grinder for any cooking enthusiast. It's a game changer in the kitchen with its sleek design and effortless one-handed operation, plus a large 46G capacity that eliminates frequent refills. Number 3. ThermoMaven KYMQ-44B-AH Upgraded Larger Capacity Electric Salt. If you're the type of home cook who loves experimenting with new recipes and flavors, but gets frustrated with the hassle of constantly refilling your salt and pepper grinders, this product is a total game changer. It's got a massive 110 milliliters grinding capacity, so you can season to your heart's content without worrying about running out. Plus, with its rechargeable design, you can go a whole month without changing the batteries, which is not only a money saver but also a huge plus for the environment. I've also been really impressed with the customizable grind settings. 6 different levels let you tailor the flavor to your taste, and the separate speeds for pepper and salt take the guesswork out of seasoning. And with the built-in LED light, you can see exactly what you're doing, even in the dimmest kitchens, making it a must-have for anyone who loves to cook. Number 2. Ioion KYMQ-44B-AH-BS Electric Salt. This product shines for home cooks and professionals who crave control over their seasoning, whether it's a delicate soup or a bold barbecue. The 5 adjustable levels provide precision with every turn, delivering even, consistent flavor. One-hand operation makes it a breeze when cooking has your hands full, and the built-in LED light ensures you can see exactly how much you're adding. Durable ceramic blades stay sharp over time, and the large capacity shakers let you check spice levels at a glance, making it perfect for everyday cooking or special occasions. Number 1. Gaivis KYMQ-45A-03-AH-BS Electric Salt. I'm thoroughly impressed with this rechargeable salt and pepper grinder. It's a total game changer in the kitchen. The fact that it powers up in just 5 minutes and lasts up to 2 months on a single charge makes it perfect for busy home cooks who want to minimize their environmental impact. Plus, the external grind adjustment allows for precise control over coarseness, eliminating the need to fumble with internal settings. The wide opening also makes refilling and cleaning a breeze, and with 6 levels of adjustment, this spice grinder is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for anyone who values convenience, sustainability, and precision seasoning, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.